Yeah? Well? Woo! Okay. You gonna get her? Get her. Here she goes. Sounds like an iceberg falling apart. Whee! Honey Bear, you go get her. Quit barking at me. Are you playing? You're too old to be playing. That's the slowest ever slide down I've ever seen. There we go. There we go. Whoa! Ta-da! Yeah? Are you gonna help? Are you gonna help, Honey Bear? You're not helping? Okay. Okay. Okay, oh, we got the second run. Look out, Honey Bear. Hey, you forgot your sled. Some sled dog you are. Hey, it's snowing again. Well, that's weird. Whoa! There you go. Whee! Smack. Okay, we have the peanut gallery here. Eating snow. Okay, okay. Well, we missed the last run there.
I'm gonna do something a little funny.
You're gonna do something funny?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's gonna be a little funny.
Yeah?
Go backwards. Oh.
I don't know. Jelly doesn't look impressed. Maybe. Mimsy looks like she's out of here.
Start from up there.
You gonna start from way up here? Okay.
Yeah, where the dog's going. Where the mini coyote.
The mini coyote?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, here we go.
Here I am. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
What do you think? Whoa. Whoa! Are you worried, Flopsy? Not really? Yeah? Want some of that? Yeah, I figured. Don't jump up on me. Is Christmas just delicious? Christmas is just delicious. Yeah. This is not even. I don't want the dog. It's a dog. It's a dog. I don't think so. It smells weird. I thought you brought us food.
Can you put the dog down?
Okay, go.
Okay. We got.
Whee!